$16. Did I say that before? Yeah, I did. Okay. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to review a Anker wireless charger for a recent phone, a QI enabled phone. And I'm doing this for two reasons. I have a lot of products from Anker, so I like the brand. And also, it's only $16 US. Yes, 16 US dollars on Amazon. So I'll put the links in the video description. So the box is very plain, as you can see here. It's actually a 3D embossed finish here, but they don't show a picture of what's inside. So before I give you the specs on this amazing product, I'll do a quick unboxing. I swear, I promise it will be the faster unboxing you have ever seen on YouTube. There you go. Recycling. So what you get in the box is this nice little wireless charger. Again, $16. And let me put this aside here. You get a thank you card. You get a little here leaflet as to how to install it. You can charge vertical or horizontal. I will demonstrate that in a few seconds. And a user manual in many languages, and actually it's half a page. It is so short, I'm going to tell you something important. There is a small LED in the front here, as you can see. So when you plug it for power, it will be blue for 3 seconds. When you put your phone on it, it will be solid blue. If it is flashing blue, it detected metal. Like if you have metal in your case, that it will give you an error. And if it is flashing green, then there's an incompatible AC charger. So the charger, the charger comes with a micro USB cable, but you do not get a block charger. So you have to be careful, and there are maybe 3 points I want to focus right now. If you use an old block charger, like I have an old here BlackBerry. Yeah, believe it or not, guys, well, I used to be a big BlackBerry user, being located in Canada. They say in the booklet you need 2 amps output to get the quick charging function. And again, I'll give you some numbers quickly here. This is 0.75, so it will not work very well. I have an old Asus tablet. This is 1 amp, so you have to be careful. A newer Apple. This is for my iPad mini. This is 2.1 amps. That will work. And the recent Samsung phones, quick charger here, this is 2.0 amps. So that will give you a quick charge. So you can put your phone vertical. I have here my old S6. As you can see, it is charging right now. I'm trying to focus in the middle of the screen here. I have a picture here of my wife iPhone XS. I don't have it with me, but you can see the picture. So perfectly also. If you have a big phone, like a recent Galaxy Note, or I have here my Razer Phone 2, and I did a video on that amazing phone. If you put it like this, vertical, you see, it doesn't charge. So for a big phone, you have to put it sideways. And look at that. Right there, it is charging. So you need to know about that. If you don't like your phone to be sideways when it is charging on your desk, then I would not recommend this charger. But for $16, I bought 2 for my wife's birthday. So she has 1 at work and 1 here at home. Now, a couple of things that I want to mention also. This will work with a case. And actually my S6, as you can see, I have a case on it, and I had also a case on my Razer. It is optimized for Samsung devices. Okay, so this is a 10-watt charger. For Apple devices, it will charge at 5 watts, so it will take a bit less time. But really, who cares? For the price, and you have your phone on your desk or at home anyway, in the kitchen or in your bedroom. So whether it takes an hour or 2 hours to charge is irrelevant. For $16, like I said, I bought 2. Because of this requirement for 2 amps, It may not work very well if you charge the USB cable into a USB port in your laptop or your desktop. I did try it with a few laptops. And my desktop, we have Lenovo and the Apple MacBook. It did work, but according to the website, again, you will get a slower charge than using a 2 amps USB charging block. Guys, for $16, excuse me, I'm losing my voice. I'm so excited. For $16, like I said, buy 2. Highly recommended. Like I said before on my channel, I buy my stuff. So sometimes it's ugly. I don't even do a video. I did return a webcam, not only a dash cam. A couple of weeks ago. I did not do a review. It was horrible. So I bought this. I can recommend it. We've been using it here for a few weeks, and it works perfectly. My only recommendation to Anker is that when you have this on a desk and you walk by, the front LED, I'm going to put it back here. You won't see it actually. The front LED that you see right there on the screen is not very bright. So if you're walking around, you're not totally sure your phone is charging, but as you put your phone on the charger, you will see the LED turn on, so then you would know. But it would be nice for this LED to be a little brighter. That's my only recommendation to Anker. So let me check my list here. I think I did cover, yes, I did cover everything. $16. Did I say that before? Yeah, I did. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. And again, if you have any questions, put them down below. I'll be happy to get back to you. If you have more questions about the charger, or maybe I can do some more testing, let me know. Have a good day. Goodbye, guys.